What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. 2 nights ago, I got food poisoning, so I spent the last few days hurling and doing other nasty things. But I'm feeling like 80%, 75% better. So I'm gonna go over Apecoin. It's been absolutely exploding. We have some major news with Snoop Dogg and Wiz Khalifa, and we're gonna go over the technical analysis. So we're sitting at $13.95. We're up about 14.3 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 3.82 billion. 24-hour volume 2.98 billion. Wow, that's incredible. Just got listed. If you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So just in, Snoop Dogg and Wiz Khalifa launch Apecoin themed music NFTs. Ape price soars. So popular rapper Snoop Dogg on Thursday released new music as NFTs themed around Apecoin and the Bored Ape Yacht Club. The collection, titled 8 Drop 03 and 8th, consists of 8 tracks made in collaboration with fellow rapper Wiz Khalifa. Ape price soared after the move, trading 17% higher at 13.8. The token has been on an uptrend since Wednesday, following news that the Bored Ape Yacht Club owner Yoga Labs raised $450 million in a funding round led by venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz. So that's pretty exciting to have Snoop Dogg and Wiz drop 8 tracks as NFTs themed around Apecoin. It seems like these guys are making some major moves very quickly. So let's jump into the technical analysis. We're going to start here on the hourly chart. You can see here, beautiful cup and handle pattern, and we've broken out. So if you took that breakout trade, currently you're up on your trade here about 11%. At the peak was about 17%. Unfortunately, I was going to make this video yesterday, but I was so sick. But as I've been mentioning, I was puking and yeah, it was nasty. So we are in a technical target up to about $15.83. I have pulled my Fibonacci here from this swing high down to the swing low, and we're currently getting rejected by the golden ratio, the 0.618, which is coming in here at about $14.18. As you can see, we are overbought. We also have a bearish divergence on the 1 hour money flow. You can see we created a higher high while creating a lower high on the money flow. So if we do see some pullback, I'll drop in some levels of support here. We have this level here coming in about $13.17, and then I would watch our neckline, which is coming in here at about $12.41. Let me quickly pull this out. So if we do see a little bit of pullback, do watch those levels of support. I'll probably wait a little bit to start dollar cost averaging into this coin as it's just been listed. So probably over the next month or so, we'll see how it's doing. And then we may start using the DCA strategy. I just want to learn more about the project and see what happens over the next month or so. But I will keep you updated with the technical analysis as well as some breakout trade opportunities. So let's jump over to the 4 hour time frame. So we don't have too much data to work off just yet. As you can see here, the RSI is just starting to print as well as the money flow, but we are quite overbought. We could definitely see some pullback. You can see the 20 EMA is starting to print here on the 4 hour time frame. So over the course of the next day or two, you'll see the 20 EMA start to creep up to this level of support at about 1377. Good opportunity to bounce. Obviously, there's a huge amount of interest right now, and we've seen a huge pump. I mean, since the low here, we've pumped basically 52% in 3 days, which is just absolutely insane. But we are quite overbought, which is usually an early sign of a move back down. Now, if we do see continuation to the upside, we get back above the golden ratio, we're in a technical target up to 1583, and you know what happens if you get back above the golden ratio. Higher likelihood you come back up to where you started, which is coming in at about $18. Let me give it a little price tag, $18.11. If you break through that, you hold it as support. You do target the 1.618, which is coming all the way at about 27, 26. Yeah, let's round it up to about $27. But this coin just did get listed, so there is still a lot of speculation around it. So we'll see how it does over the next few months. That's it for Apecoin. Shout out to the Discord. Over 1,800 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns as the price of a coffee, $3.50 USD. We have the DCA trade strategy fully explained. The DCA charts just took a 50% exit on our ADA trade for a 6.8% profit. So if you want to trade with us, make sure to sign up to the Discord, and I also have buy and take profit zones that are updated regularly. If you're looking for entries and exits based off support, resistance, Fibonacci, and if you want a dollar cost average into your positions. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.